Hello everyone. Recently, I am attending one training program regarding online teaching, and as a part of that training program, I have to submit a small lecture video on YouTube. So, I am making this video only for that assignment. So, this is only sample video. In future, in on my this channel, I will share more videos regarding this topic. So this is just the sample video. So if you want to know more, keep visiting my channel, and I will post detailed video about this topic. So today in this video lecture, I would like to discuss about cams and follower. So basically, what is cam? Cam is a rotating machine element which gives reciprocating or oscillation motion to another element known as follower. Cams and follower mechanism are generally used to convert rotating motion to the linear motion. So cam is a rotating element and follower which follows the linear motion. The cam and the follower have line contact and constitute a higher pair. We all know about higher pair and lower pair. When the contact between two surface is point contact or line contact, we can say it as a higher pair, and when it is a surface contact, then we can call it as a lower pair. The cams are usually rotating at uniform speed by a shaft, but the follower motion is predetermined and will be according to the shape of the cam. So according to the shape of the cam, the follower motion may be of a uniform velocity type, or a simple harmonic motion type, or a uniform acceleration and retardation type, or a cycloidal type. So according to the shape of the cam, the follower motion may be determined. The cams are widely used for operating the internal and exhaust inlet and exhaust valves of internal combustion engines, automatic attachment of machineries, paper cutting machineries, spinning and weaving textile machineries, feed mechanism of automatic lathe, etc. So these are some applications of the cam and follower. Now in next slide we will discuss about the classification of the follower. So we will classify the follower first according to the surface in contact. So the follower according to the surface in contact are as follow. Number 1 is a knife edge follower. When the contacting end of the follower has a sharp knife edge, it is called a knife edge follower. So we can see in this figure number A, the knife edge type follower. The sliding motion takes place between contacting surface, the knife edge and the cam surface. It is seldom used in practice because the small area of contacting surface result in excessive wear. In knife edge follower, there is a excessive wear. So in knife edge followers, considerable side thrust exists between the follower and the guide. So this is the type 1 knife edge follower. Next one is ruler follower. Uh, when the contacting end of the follower is a roller, it is called a roller follower. Here in figure number B, we can see cam with the roller follower. Since the rolling motion takes place between the contacting surface, the roller and the cam, therefore the rate of wear is greatly reduced. In roller followers, also the side thrust exists between the follower and guide. So side thrust is present there in knife edge also and roller follower also. The roller followers are extensively used where more space is available, such as stationary gas and oil engines and aircraft engines. Then next is flat faced or mushroom follower. When the contacting end of the follower is a perfectly flat face, it is called a flat faced follower. As shown in figure, we can see here in figure number C, cam with flat face follower. It may be noted that the side thrust between the follower and the guide is much reduced in case of flat face followers, because there is a flat face and there is a sliding motion between cam and follower. So side thrust is only because of the friction. So the side thrust is very much reduced in flat face follower. The only side thrust is due to the friction between the contacting surface of the follower and the cam. The relative motion between this surface is largely of sliding nature, but wear may be reduced by offsetting the axis of the follower. So we can reduce the wear by offsetting the follower, as we can see in figure number F, cam with offset follower. Then next is spherical faced follower. When the contacting end of the follower is spherical shape, it is called as a spherical faced follower. Here in figure D, came with spherical faced follower, we can see here. It may be noted that when flat faced follower is used in automobile engines, high surface stresses are produced. In order to minimize these stresses, the flat end of the follower is machined to a spherical shape. So we can see all the type of cam follower, like knife edge follower here, uh, roller follower here, then flat face follower here, and spherical face follower here. So this is the first type of classification we can do. Then next, according to the motion of the follower, first is reciprocating or translatory motion. So when the follower reciprocate in guide as the cam rotates uniformly, it is known as reciprocating or translatory follower. So here figure A, B, C, D and F are reciprocatory type of follower, and the next one is oscillating type of rotating follower. So when the uniform rotary motion of the cam is converted into the predetermined oscillatory motion of the follower, it is called oscillating or rotating follower. Here in figure E, we can see the oscillating type of follower. Then lastly, according to the path of the motion of the follower, first one is radial and second one is offset. When the motion of the follower is along an axis passing through the center of the cam, it is known as radial follower. The followers as shown in figure A, B, C, D and F are radial type of follower, because here the axis of the follower is passing through the center of the cam. And next one is offset follower. When the motion of the follower is along an axis away from the axis of the cam center, it is called offset follower. The figure F, we can see here that the axis of the follower is here and the center of the cam is here, so it is offsetted here, so this is known as offset follower. So these are the classification of the follower. Thank you.